Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put camera shake effect on Capcut. First, open Capcut and then tap on New Project. Select the photo or the video that you would like to edit. In my case, I'll edit this one and then tap on Add. Once it's already been added, you can actually prolong this photo in here or the video you chose. Then tap on Effects on the lower right part of your screen. And then tap on Video Effects. Here on the second effect, you'll see Camera Shake. Tap on that. Then as you can see, the video or the photo is shaking right now. You can actually double tap on this one and then adjust the desired range or speed. So I want it to be up until the end of the video. And then regarding the speed, then we can also adjust the speed if you want it slower or you want it fast. It's depending on you. Once you're done adjusting it, you can just tap on the check mark. Then you're ready to export this video. And that's how to put camera shake effect on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.